guys, it's Caitlin, and today we are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette to make this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'll be going in with is eyeshadow primer. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using it for years, and I don't think I'll ever use anything different. And you can apply it with a brush or just with your finger. I just like applying it with my finger. Alright. So the palette that we are using today is actually the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, but unfortunately this palette doesn't have like a deep brown, and I would like a deep brown for this look. So I am going to go into my first Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, definitely used this a lot. It's old. So I'm just going to take a brush just like this, and I am going to go into this shade. Let's see here. I am going to go into this shade right here, and I just want to pretty much just pack this all in the crease here. Okay, now that we've got that brown shade, now we can go into the Volume 2 palette. So let's go into this one right here. It is a G Money. And I think I'm just going to go in with a little tapered brush like this. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes, so this is the JH40. And it's just a little tapered brush. So I'm going to pick up G Money. And we're just going to put that, like, right, I guess pretty much above that deep brown that we just put on. I'm going to grab a bigger tapered blending brush, so one like this, and this is the Morphe M330, and I am going to grab some of Love Handles, which is this light brownish tannish color, and I am just going to pack that on there, and I'm going to put it right above G Money. Just to, you know, kind of blend this and make it all come together here. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, now that you cut your crease, now we are going to go in to this yellow shade right here called No Joke. And we are just going to use a flat shader brush. And this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes, so this is the JH41, and it's just a flat shader brush. And you're going to pick up No Joke, and you are just going to pat all over that concealer. Alright, I'm going to grab just a little brush that's like this. I don't know the name of this one. It doesn't have a name on it or anything, so I'm not sure what the name of this one is. But it just looks like that. And I'm pretty much just going to grab all the same colors that we put in the crease and put those on my outer corner, starting from darkest going to lightest. So I gotta get into the first Jaclyn Hill palette again and grab that dark shade that we used, which was this one. I don't have the card that has the names on these, so I don't remember what the names are. So we will just grab some of that deep brown and we will start it in the outer corner here. So we're going to go back to G Money again, which is this one. And we will just place that next to that deep brown that we just put on there. Alright, and then I'm going to grab that light color, this Love Handles one up here. And I am just going to place that in between the yellow and G Money, so that we have a seamless blend between the two. Right, so now I'm going to do my face makeup and everything off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I did forget to mention one thing. So these are the lashes that I'm using today. These are Lunar Angel lashes in the style Space Mom, and Space Mom is actually my favorite style. I really love these. So I always use Lunar Angel lashes, and I love them. Every single look that you see me do on Instagram, I'm wearing Lunar Angel lashes. So I can put a link down below to where you go to their site, and when you check out, it automatically gives you 15% off with my code. So yeah, if you click that link, you will get 15% off of Lunar Angel lashes. They don't just make lashes, they also have lash applicators as well. I have the black one, and they also have a pink one as well. And then they also have like 3 packs of these too. They don't just have just the one set, they also have 3 packs, so those are really cool as well. So yeah, please look into Lunar Angel lashes. Alright guys, I finished my face makeup, put on my lashes, and now we can do the lower lash line to finish up this look. So I'm gonna grab this brush again that I used when we did the outer corner here. Again, I don't know the name, so sorry. It just looks like that. And I am going to grab G Money. And I am just going to smudge that on the lower lash line. Alright, I am going to grab this JH42, it's a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and it just looks like that. And I am going to go into Certified right here, and I am going to put that on my inner corner. And also on my brow bone. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love this look. I'm not a big fan of like neutrals, like browns. I can't stand browns. But when you add this pop of yellow with it, I absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. So, thanks for watching. Bye!